How to pay with Klarna on AliExpress. Follow my instructions. Klarna allows you to shop now and pay later in flexible installments. AliExpress supports Klarna for certain products and regions. Here's how to use it when you shop online. First, open the AliExpress app or go to Aliexpress.com. Search for the item you want and add it to your cart. Tap the cart icon and proceed to checkout. In the Payment Methods section, select Klarna Pay Later. You may see options like Pay in 4 inches or Pay in 30 days, depending on your country. Click Continue to proceed. Log into your Klarna account or create a new one. Review your payment schedule and confirm the plan. Klarna will pay AliExpress right away, and you'll pay Klarna over time. Always check Klarna's eligibility for your location before using it. And make sure you pay installments on time to avoid late fees. That's how to pay with Klarna on AliExpress easily and securely. Thanks for watching.